All right, to solve 19b, really what we're going to do is we're going to rely on the fact that 19a has been solved, okay? And again, I've had to make a couple of little adjustments here. If you look at the graph, that intercept should be -5, that should be +7. This isn't exactly the right graph there. So anyway, so when I take a quick look at this here, I'm looking at where this function right here is less than or equal to 0, okay? Where does that occur? Where along this number line does the function here drop below 0? Okay. Now, what we're meaning by this is the 0 line. Okay. This right here is the where this equals 0. Remember, this whole thing together is equivalent. If you look back at the original question, this whole thing is equivalent to y. This whole thing, this -1/5 x squared plus 2/5 x plus 7, that is y. So when I ask, where is this less than 0, what I'm asking for is, where is y less than 0? Where are the y coordinates on this graph less than 0? Well, look, for any point that I can point to in between -5 and 7, for any one of those points along this curve in between -5 and 7, all of those y coordinates are going to be positive because they are above the x-axis. Okay? So it's only when I go to the left of -5, it's only in this little spot here that the y coordinates become negative, or if I go to the right of +7. To the left of -5, to the right of +7, all of the y coordinates of those points, they then become negative. So in order to answer this question, I basically have to write down what I just said there. Where is this true? This is true when x is less than -5, comma, when x is greater than 7. Okay, notice it's not asking where it's equal to 0, because then I would include the or equal to here. So this is one way of writing it. Now, if you really want to kind of geek out on this, instead of using a comma, you might use the union symbol, which just looks like a big U, and that means the same thing. It's taking this set of x coordinates combined with this set of x coordinates, and that's the overall answer.